Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to use my Samsung S7 tablet to create animation using this app called Hipaint. So this is the app I came across recently, and the big thing about this is it has animation. So there is no proper app for animation when it comes to Android devices. So I love about this because it has animation. So before, if you feel my picture quality of the video, any of my video is blurry, just go to this quality settings and click high quality so that you get the clear image, visual image of the video. So first, I just open the screen says canvas, and here I'm going to use my brush called the ballpoint pen, and I'm going to choose black color. So I'm going to draw letters called POP pop. So to create vertically straight, horizontally straight lines, I'm using this auxiliary lens. You can either uh, write using in normal handwriting, or you can try this as well. So this I'm giving an idea that how we can make use of the tools available in any app. So here we have auxiliary lines which works like similar to horizontal ruler, vertical ruler in the app IBS Paintex. So the IBS Paintex has a ruler which we have to turn horizontally, vertically each time we when we want to uh, convert to vertical or horizontal. But here we have both horizontal and vertical lines in single accelerating tool. So here you can see I just write POP, and now I'm just merged it, and I'm just reduce its opacity because this is not going to be the main letters, and I'm going to use the its help to write the spellings properly. So if you feel the stabilizer not working well, you can handwrite it. Otherwise, for straight lines, you can easily use the stabilizer option. And here I'm going to draw O now. So if you feel it is big, you can adjust using these transform tools. So now I'm just drawing ovals, create O, and here just using lasso tool, I just selected these and duplicated like this to draw another P. So now merge all together and just delete this layer. We don't need that anymore. And I'm going to adjust the letters little bit. So now I'm going to make this letter move. So what I'm going to do is step by step. I'm going to move the letters. So I'll change this layer name as reference because this is also a reference for us. Now just click on this create option, create animation option in the three dot, and this is how a small panel appears at the bottom. This is where we have to use the use to create the animation. So in the first layer, I'm going to make some zigzag movement or in same size of the letters. You can see I'm just drawing these zigzag lines only on the areas where I can see the letter P. So if you feel it is not good, you can erase easily and redraw this like this. Okay, now we can adjust where we don't have lines. So similarly, I'm going to do the same thing for O and P as well. So for P, already we have the P. Either you can just copy and paste using the lasso tool, otherwise you can simply make these zigzag lines. Now just create another layer. I'm going to choose some different color, bright color now. Before that, just you click on the top layer and move it a little bit like this. Now we can see the reference is a little bit away from that pink color zigzag pop. So now in the new layer, I'm going to trace using the same zigzag lines in the new position of that word like this. So this is how step by step, inch by inch, I'm going to move the text, then trace it using this zigzag line in the new layer, and I'm going to make the letters move. So now in the new layer, I just before that I'm just moving the reference pop little bit like this, then go back to the new layer, and here using the red color I created this. Now as usual, just go to the reference, move the pop a little bit like this, then duplicate the first color, pink color pop, and I'm going to use that itself here. Why didn't duplicate before means like I need some little variation in that zigzag line. So what I'm doing is I just made 3 layers with these different zigzag lines, and now I'm going to duplicate them one by one in the following layers, and I'm just going to change the color. So here to change the color of this, I just switched on the transparent lock, and here using the green color leaf brush, I'm just changing the color of that letter. Now I'm going to duplicate the second pop layer and also positioning the reference to the next step and placing the duplicate here like over that, and just click on this transparent block and click on any favorite bright color, then using the leaf brush I'm just changing the color like this. So in the same way I'm just going to move the reference and the duplicate like this. So I'm just making the process in the speed mode like this. So I'm going to change the background to black so you can you know see the colors very in a bright look. So I'm going to complete the process almost now, pushing it like here and changing the color a little bit yellowish. Duplicating once again and placing it here. Yeah, now you can see the letters are moving. It is very easy method, and you can do it even if you're a very beginner. You can try this method, and if you try this, just share in Instagram and tag me. My Instagram link is available in the about section. Okay, now everything is ready. Just click on the background and change to black color, and now if I play my words moving, if you change it to pink pen, you can see it is moving in forward in backward motion. And if you change it to one shot, it will just move in one in only one repetition. And I'm just keeping that in a loop so that it looks continuously moving. Now you can just click on the 3 dots, go to the share option, and in export you can click on the GIF. So we don't have the MP4 option so far. So only we can have is in GIF, and this is the final look. I hope you learned something new about the animation and the technique. If you like my tutorials, just check out other tutorials as well. You can find it clear in the playlist. Subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.